Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a green holiday eyeshadow look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. To start off, I'm going to be using this beige type of color right here, and I'm just applying this all over the crease. Next, I am using this dark matte green shade, and I am applying this to the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm also going to blend it into the crease. Now, it looks a little harsh right now, but I'm definitely going to blend. That's what I'm doing right now with a fluffy brush, just to make sure that it's all blended out and there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm going into this bright green color, and I'm applying this with a flat brush all over the lid. Now I'm using this shimmery green color and also applying this all over the lid. Now obviously you can see all of the fallout that I have here, so while you're doing this, it might be a good idea to apply a powder underneath your eyes to catch that fallout that you can brush away after you finish the eyeshadow look. I'm taking this gold shade on a small precision brush, and I'm just applying this towards the center of the lid and kind of just bringing it up towards the crease. Back into that green shimmery shade and applying this to the outer lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the gold again and put this towards the inner lower lash line. Off camera, I am curling my eyelashes and putting on mascara. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that this video was helpful and that you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed the holidays, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!